pass and move. Mama sita tingo shedera mutuze, pass and move. Atina shikatima chinjari mwe groove.
Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to Tape 3 TV. This is a Pass and Move special. Today we're right here at Papa Phil Stadium. It's Chicken Inn taking on Caps United Football Club. This episode is proudly brought to you by Lucky Bets. Yes, boy.
Yes.
What's up?
Eh.
Episode akho lamathintwa
Boy.
boy. Mbano oyenza boy wasupport iChicken Inn. Uthethu wakho. Alright. Namhla iChicken Inn idlala le Cape san. Uyibona ni iChicken Inn iyawina ngaki?
2-0. 2-0.
Mbano ohlohlayo? Mbano uzahlohla namhla? Boy ithi iChicken Inn iyawina 2-0. Kepe bora mjara wadi.
Abozo ukuthi
Welcome to Tape 3 TV mjara wangu. Nasi Chicken Inn versus Caps United. Uruona same mtambo nazi.
no I win I too not you. I win.
Ndiana rugoiza.
Yarugoiza ngiri yenzani uyu.
Wadi hapo pera nasi.
Wadi hapo ari popana kuisira yenzani uyu mani uyu. Nzari mani staragira kumkoshiwa mani.
Ucha murangari.
Una mkati.
Super muruguina.
Atuwina anasida the confidence. Chicken Inn ngati deras nastoiro.
Alright, gasa ngafta bora tona utafa. Shap mjara. Pura sema shap.
Yeah, shap my brother Hamban.
I'm welcome to Tape 3 TV my brother.
Welcome my brother.
Namuhla uyafiwa Chicken Inn versus Caps United. Ubona njani game namuhla?
Yeah, igame imnandi, game sibili echazayo, but Caps United iyawina 2-1.
Caps ubona ni yathatha 3 points.
Yeah, yayithatha 3 points.
Mbano abafakela uOpri kakho, Wadi kakho.
Chambuko yise, ukhona uChambuko lapha. Uyachaya ipress uChambuko. Chaya ipress uChambuko. Chambuko.
Alright my brother, mana sibona after Boruti yazala nkomo.
Alright, thanks my brother.
Nice one my brother. Esha my brother. And welcome to Tape 3 TV.
Yeah, tukufara chibuda pa mavipaji vitu kuda hizo.
Apa ndina mkomani? Mkoma Jeff ndebi?
Mushe zirise.
Bobo. Bora na nasi Caps versus Chicken Inn muruona se.
2-1. Caps 2, Chicken Inn 1.
Ndiana goiza.
Tina Brett na mwachibudzi wena mkomo.
Mkoma wachibundiza ari kuti ndio uruziva zeso. Already mvunzo wako oruya kona mkoma wachi. Uruona sei nya Lucky Bets uruona sei pamtambo bora reto kuZimbabwe.
Lucky Bets ndiri kuifarira because ndikatarisa kwese vanhu vandiri kuona vari kunzi vawina ka zvine kodzero nekuti vanhu vanenge vatamba neshungu saka tinoda kuti munenge muchiona zvatinenge tichionawo imimi zvatinenge tichiona saka iri right sterek
prediction
ini ndiri kuona 1-0 nasi
makepe bora ndeipi
bobo kepe bora
say rasta
heavy
welcome to Tape 3 TV my brother.
Thank you
mkomo wangu
Kane Ndlovu
ndeipi Mr Ndlovu
kepe bora
apa
kepe bora mdara mzeziwa
ndotanga na mzeziwa bora naso ruona sei
towina perfectly towina
uruina ngani
2-1
apa
ndiri kuzvionera unga 3-1
Ndlovu asikhulume
ona vele lapha vele uthi vele umdlalo lo is 3-0 or 3-1 but 3-1 is possible.
Undlovu lo ubi lo Ndlovu
lo Ndlovu lo ngwalapha elipane emzola 3
nice Ndlovu uthele wina 3-1 Rasta man.
Yes muzo wa 10 I'm not good at predicting but what I know is they are not going to score. We are going to win but they are not going to score.
Alright, tufamane Lucky Bets towunisa ama man of the match. Nasi man of the match urona kuti ndiani?
Today I think Njaliwa.
Ani?
Njaliwa kana pa first 11 anotora.
Njaliwa.
Achiro.
Njara.
Keeper. Magalani.
Ndiye man of the match.
Chaba save zokuti uyawona.
Alright, tine competition iri kumhanya pa Facebook. Munoenda pa Facebook ani? Pa page re Lucky Bets. Mongo predicta kuti man of the match. Then mopinda pa luckybets.co.zw. Mo register mo ngiriki maphandaze Lucky Bets ani. Munowana mvunzo yakawandisa stereki. muri kuzviona sei mafans tiri kupa mafans zvinhu zvakanaka muri kuzviona sei
aiwa chinhu chakanaka singaiti into enhle kakhulu ukuthi lathi siyakhona ukuba le-motivation
kakhulu ubona njani Mtara
hayi lokho is promoting ukuthi ama-supporters abukhele ibhora and babe interested ngebhora. Yeah.
then Rasta uyomvuza wako kune initiative ya man of the match atuwinisa ma-man of the match uri uyiona sei
I think it's a good initiative. If you look at Kubakley, kune mangoma application yakatava na fantasy football manager. Right? Yes, if you follow that route, then everyone will come to know more about our premiership, more of our game, and we will follow our players, our teams, which is yours. Yeah.
All right, thank you guys. Ngasangane after bora tuona di bora redoni ngataba sei.
Saka tokuwana ipapo.
Ndipo inziwo ka 1 ekebura kani. Nziyo 1 ndlovu.
Zinochekwa baba.
Aiwa timu
inorowa legi. Timu inotora. Aiwa timu inotora legi. Aiwa.
Muri tora ligi. Shabatara. Shabrasta. Shab. So mkebe.
Madi Madara.
Zwe bom komangu ndebi.
Amnandi mina.
Bora 0-0 chicken in the Cape United. Ubone njani wote game?
Hayi game awucoach akasenzela ama serious lapha. Awucoach aya. Coach kasenzela ama serious.
Usoleni wena?
Hayi abakhona abanye abantu ade kumele bakhiphe lapha nakari bekulabo laba bahlohlohle to last game lapha abamfakanga bafaka abanye labo Bruce ekhulile emuva obezigise chama blind passes konke ayazali
But bavale bekube 0-0.
hayi but bekumele sikhohle phela bekumele sikhohle at least 1-0 2-0
mana ngizwa matimbara thini matimbare
ini mndara ndika chokwandika kebe uthamba bhora but iyo pachayo ndika asikwanisa kugohesa why ameno hanzi wadi chi
apo kawadi
iyangasipo why dangaripo webeka ayigona kuwina inini
vatemane munhu wani saka ufana kumira nestrike chiri wana kana uri muligi inofanira kuva ne2 or 3 mastrikers so that unoziva kuti nhasi asi mufomu unosani ndananyagohesa apa wide atambishaiwa right nhasi saka ndiani atamba hapana atamba yabuda iri 0-0 tashawa point
ndibvunze pekupedzisira so nyaya yokuti Caps neDynamos mahwani ichokwadi
aiwa itsisu zviri makepekebe monachika mndaranga nauza chokwadi ona paukura kwetanga inini ndosapota kepekebe ndosapota Dynamos Highlanders matimi wayanika pachokwadi ndo matimi edu ari muligi izvezvi vamwe vese aribva kuligi otora ligi yadroga otora ligi what for ibvepi yabvepi
matimu twese utuka titunana twese
mira ndibvunze munhu mukuru soda padhuze munhu mukuru ndebe
mushe muzimbe
ndakasimba ndaibvunza kuti nyaya yokuti Caps neDynamos one team koma ari kundibvunza kuti ari kusapota Highlander Caps neDynamos imi muri kuzoona sei
vanhu vanofanira kusapota ke imwe chete because kusapota tu apo asi vanhu veDynamos hatina shuwa navo Dynamos hatina shuwa navo iwapi vanhu veDynamos iwapi
ndibvunze bhora rora sei
nomdlalo wekuhle program ya udlalo wekuhle sinobungane oburight akula red card akula yellow card ebekhona of which khona kwenzakalela kwi-0-0 hayi we just appreciate it ukuthi kwenzakele no problem sezabona emagame emidlalweni ezayo
ngafuna ukubona ukuthi
sabonga mthemthana
kulungile program
ngafuna ukubona ukuthi abantu abazonda nje
kepe bora kepe bora kepe
shama shinda ngawususha bunchele zisozi mtomtharu njani
angiright mina
naiswa mtaro wangu game rona sei
game ratambwa it was a fair game hapana chatinoshora otherwise we win otherwise you draw or lose so tongotambira result yangu itikona nasi haitinostand
So draw is a fair result.
It's a fair result. Both sides they play very well. Yes, so I can't say anything about it.
So semaonero ako man of the match kwanga kuriani?
I sure was deserved to get it. Yeah, I not tender. I was deserved to get it.
All right, Mtarango tatende.
I was not tender.
Thank you, Mtunda. So you see, now I'm a vandalizer.
I think I could vandalizer this time around.
Aye,
Uncle Epichi. Uncle Epi, these past 5 games, my results are boy. I had my results. And they came out a Sibu get a number sleeping at Kaz. I think I changed since I want to win for the past 4 games. So, as for the next game, I can still go in it rentals in Saturday. So that's when we're expecting maybe to change things. But for so far, so bad. It's not good. It's not pleasing for a chicken in fan or chicken in love.
Singaga studio ungakakhohlwa usodani kahle kahle.
Namhlanje lokuzeni indlala ama players abangelandlala. They were not playing like abantu labana abasuka from a draw, abasuka from 3 losses. Bebengadlali nje abantu abalambileyo. Because they were too defensive. Each and every time they maintain the high line of 4 players instead of what is attackers cause it a problem for Caps. Caps was playing freely in the center of the park Achiro senzintando yakhe because ubengela pressure. So konokana ngenye into ama coach atevuze inanzela ukuthi kona ibhora lifa because imidi Caps ibingela pressure ibikhulekile senzintando yayo. Konokana kusilimazisile.
So Achiro well deserved man of the match.
100%. He played well. He played very good football. I'm proud for him. And there's a former game coach as well. So,
nice one. Come Chef.
Yes, Baba.
0-0.
Yeah, 0-0. It's a good team. It's a good result, especially to go away like this.
Where's Ndima wana man of the match? Achiro. What more say?
Achiro angachitamba. Aiwa Achiro atamba. And tukunyepa. Achiro atamba bora. Anogona.
Prediction yako yanga ichiti 2-1. Kwa ramba papi.
Akatima kakachingodefenda kakasina basa negobhora kakaringoda ngodefenda chete. That's why zvaramba. But wadi anodiwa muground. Munhu anonzi wadi mise muground.
Otherwise good luck next time.
Bo.
Nice one. Koma Chef.
Tirimo muresi.
Mira ndizwe mama makebeke butaduchi. Makebeke. Game ratamba 0-0. Maiona sei game?
Game ranga rakanaka. Asi tawana ma chances ekuti tingada tawina but kana point away yakanaka. Yakanaka. Tichirimo muresi.
Uvumirana naye mkoma?
Tovumirana mdara tichirimo muresi. Muresi tichirimo chazvo but tokumbiro inonzi extra time yeah, inonzi injury time yeah. Vanoisa 3 minutes poita ma injuries pa first 2 minutes. Havazonowedzere kana kuti dzisvike inonzi referee's discretion iya yekuti time dzacho dzikombanzetu havasi kuzviita. Handi mazvaona pakuvara kipa wedu vaita more than a minute vachirapa kipa but havana kuzokombanzeta kumberi uko apa tichida kuataka mudara.
Swedera mkoma swedera kebe yo arona sei?
Right, timu yatamba bora but problem ava munhu anonzi benyu handiti bora rake munomari bude. Ana power, speed hapana. Mapasa anopasa, handiti, but ana speed, handi mazvona. Power haana ngoguma otodona. Kumanya kwacho hamanya bhora risiko paspace hakwasi kumanya achitera bhora handiti. At the same time kuti watanzi wadati costa.
Red card yake.
Caps United asi wadi chete. Handiti, itimu, handiti ka. Ko wadaka mukachita handichada kutamba bhora racho. Handiti. Kurata hakusina chonzi Caps United, handiti.
Uruvumirana naye mjara?
Ndovumirana naye but ndine mufana ndofara anonzi One Gurende. Chebaba Botka simbi yebasa number 97. Uya mfana yandi ne secret ndambomuudza zangu. Ndikamwana ari mubedroom mangu andimubati. Aiwa. Andimubati mfana uya unoona no. Andimubati ndompa usiku hwese anditika. Anenge achiseshena. Mangwana ndomka nombikira tea anditika. Orwa pasi. One Gurende, one Chibaba Botka. The only Gurende. The only Gurende who dreams in English. Aroti lechishona.
Anorota nechirungu. Wani munhu anorota nechirungu.
Uvumirana Mdara wataura kuti Gurende ndi.
Ayo, Mdara warito muna mubedroom wavo.
Mira ntaura nemukoma wangu. Mukoma kebekebe. Wariona sei bora?
Ebinage ya tapiro. Isusu tiri wemweya baba. Anditika tiri kuinamatira nyaya iyi every day and night. Asi kurara kumasowe. Anditika toyoyi takatoioneswa yoyi. Takatoioneswa. But aiwa kebekebe mutaronga dziri kuchekwa. It's ebinage ya tapiro. Shirandu make sure, take sure, make sure.
When the brothers meet.
Chataura now. Ora mira ntaura ma brothers. La asaupa mjana. Lapa lochi kona. All right. Mana nkase ngochikona we Cape United. Chikona we Cape United ubona njani bora?
Bora iri matambigo raitiwa ranga richinakidza chose but chandaona inini pa strike force yedu nhasi ainantra zvakanaka patransport apa I think gap ya wadi yaya yanotadza kuti yanga yakashama yashaiwa munhu akwanisa kuikavha gap yaya.
Mese manje mukachema na wadi mumakaudza kuti wadi akasiya bhora mozodii?
Hai izvozvo tinozvinzwa chose but nemhaka yekuti aripo ngatambe apinde
angane red card.
Red card takaiona but gap yake yati Costa singaiti noti kana angaripo wadi unombozama nikumbodisturba ma defenders zvokuti anombomaharasa zvoti tinogona kuwana something chero pama corner kicks tinowanzo tikatora corner kick wadi anowanzo kudi kupinza mugedhe ka1.
Mira ndizwe mfano wako Chigona weposo iwe wariona sei?
Game bolato zvanga zvakanaka bolozo. When brothers meet on different teams and in the national supporter Cape United. Yes. I was supporting Cape United. Yes. But Borarao their game Borarao being that thing.
Exactly.
But when you support Cape Harare ukude chicken yako buda.
Nguyon recruiter yebelo. Kade mina mbuya ko bulawa phela mina.
Angari mkepekepe. Angari mkepekepe.
Akachinja kaita referee post.
Akachinja referee post but yeah, angari mkepekepe pakauya achibva kumusha. Auya kuna mkomo wake.
Alright Chikona brothers. Mira ndizwe Mdara wangu. Mira Mdara ndikubatsire. Don't worry. Mdara wangu say.
Unoziva zvandaita gerere Cape United rakafana negerere Dynamos. Dynamos yaitemba bhora mudenga tikarohwa nenzira iyo. Tafunga kuti Cape United yakaridhawo munyati uripo. Bhora pasi. Towana magobhora. Aishuwa vakomana vanga vaitamba bhora rakanaka.
Caps.
Caps vatamba bhora rakanaka. Indine mufana wangu ari pari. Aindepiko mufana. Manhumpa. Alright. Unongosiya zvakanaka. Ungoti manhumpa wosiya zvakanaka. But vakomana veCape United musaore moyo. Tarohwa ne1 method. Isitakarohwa 2-1.
Nice one Mdara. Uya wemaveji. Uya titukuze wemaveji. Mkoma wangu wemaveji.
My brother ndika. The Caps they must give Wadi ambient. He's the one who influenced the team itambo. Kana asimo hapana bora. Hapana influence, hapana chi. If Wadi are deep. Wadi without Wadi. Asti.
Ndifunze nemaveji majo madia.
How's the green machine dish? She knows the green machine. How's the
we have kebe this. We have kebe. Ndaivuza kuti Mdara maveji anomadi bhora razo.
Maveji anga inapoa huku dzidle. Kuti vechikeni vakunyazokwana huku dzakasimba dzadika maveji.
But otherwise bhora rona Mdara.
Well played guys. Bora ndizviripo, you win, you lose, you draw. We played good football, but unfortunately tatadza zvedu kuti kuwina. But emphasis yangu yanda kufamba nayo, in the team yangu yanchafamba nayo, I'm saying no to hooliganism, no to vandalism, no to tribalism.
Wataura mashoko makukutu.
Ndikuda kudotry kudabatanidza maclubs.
ndingotsvaka 1 or 2 or 3 musi unotamba kana Highlanders neimwe timu tinouya tinobatanidza vanhu tinovapa majezi etimu dzese we are one tinouya kubhora kuzobisa mastress kufara tinotamba bhora it's 90 minutes handitika asi ukapara mhosva unoorera mujeri kwemakore nekuda kwe90 minutes so I'm saying no to vandalism hooliganism and tribalism.
Thank you munhu mukuru Tanja. Kepe bora
Zochekwa Mndara. I just want to thank the guys, they played well, they did well, but hakuna team inotamba isingadi kuwina. Dzese team dzechida kuwina ndizvo. But of course we had here and there my mistakes, but kepe dziri kuchekwa. Takonewa by 1 or 2 things, but I love you, my kepe. I still remember time yana Brian Badza.
Wakufunga vana makoporo.
Yes, Badza aikuti ari kuno mukomana waye akaritungira bhora mereko. Atoenda. But anyway, zvazvimwe but Cape United players I support vatamba they tried well. Cape chicken in nechida kuwina handiti. Isura wina. It's a competition and so what I'm saying is no. I'm sorry, a draw.
Good result.
It's a good result for us.
Thank you, Mdara.
So,
Porato. There you have it, guys. Reactions from the fans, both from Cape United and Chicken Inn. Thank you so much for watching. It has been another exciting episode of Pass and Move, a special proudly brought to you by Lucky Pets, our number 1 sponsor. Thank you so much. Please remember to like, subscribe, share, and engage us in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching.
Pass and move, pass and move. Mama sita tingo shakera mutuze. Pass and move, pass and move. Patina shika